Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing y'all my everyday makeup. It's really easy and simple. I have been loving this look. I've been doing it a lot lately. I'm just going to do it today and show y'all what I'm using, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to get started with the eyes first. I typically put on this L'Oreal Infallible foundation to just put over my eyelids, and then I'll set it with some powder. I'm literally so tired right now. Like, I do not want to go to class. My eyes just feel so heavy and it's really irritating me. Like, I can't wake up. So I'm gonna set my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm pretty sure it's in the shade Fair. I couldn't go to sleep last night. But I feel like I didn't even go to bed that late because I've been going to bed pretty late. But I don't know. I don't freaking know anymore. So basically you're just gonna get like a light eyeshadow, or at least the lightest one that you have if you don't have white, and you're just gonna put it all over your lid. I'm gonna use this Delancey Cosmetics Panda eyeshadow palette. I freaking love this eyeshadow palette. It's like a bunch of grays and it has some like sparkly shades in it. I've been obsessed with this palette. I got it on Amazon. I am gonna take the shade Snow, which is just white, and put it all over the lid. I need like a big ass cup of coffee right now. Also, I was gonna make coffee and I get the milk and it's chunky and it's not even supposed to expire for another like week and a half or something. I don't know what the hell is up with that. It doesn't even smell either. I don't know why it's chunky when we just bought it. That really pissed me off this morning too. I think I'm gonna do foundation right now. I typically don't do this, but I kind of want to add contour right here to my, all the way up to my temples, because I want to just see how that would look. And I obviously don't want to do that before the foundation because it's just going to get covered when I do apply it. But I don't know, because I was going to do a wing and I like to do that before my foundation. I'm going to add on this Dream Radiant Liquid by Maybelline hydrating foundation and then blend it out, and then I'm going to try that contour thing that I want to do. Now I'm going to take this NYX Wonder Stick. It's in the shade Fair. Taking the contour side, and I'm going to add it like this. And then I'm going to blend it with this brush that I have. I'm going to add a little bit to my crease too. And blend it. I don't know if I'm gonna do a wing today. I have no clue. Like, I want to, but I don't want to at the same time. Is anybody else like that? Like, they're just so indecisive with their makeup. It's so fucking annoying. Like, I wish I just knew exactly what I wanted to do. Now I have to contemplate for 40 minutes what I want to do with my makeup. I don't know how people like don't get ready every morning. I know it's like sometimes it's like really annoying and it's hard. I cannot focus in class if I know I look like shit. I will have a terrible day. My hair looks bad, I don't have makeup on or something, like I know I'm gonna have a horrible day. I can't do that to myself. I'm gonna take that white eyeshadow again and apply it on my lid. So I'm gonna add some concealer. This is a Maybelline one in Cool Ivory. I think it's the lightest shade. Do it under my eye and then right here just to sharpen that contour that we added. I need it to be Friday so badly. I feel like this week has been so weird for me. It's felt like slow and fast at the same time. Just need it to be over already. Like, I'm done. I'm gonna take a little bit of powder and add it over my lid again because I did add some of that concealer on the inner corner and I don't want it to crease or anything. I'm gonna see how these lashes look. Also, I just got these ones on Amazon and they look really pretty. I swear to God though, like if I don't do these good, I'm gonna be so mad. Having a horrible applying your lashes day is like the worst. I just want to see if I need to cut them. I don't think so. Oh, these are the Kiss lashes. They're, what are they? Bare Affair. I just got these on Amazon. I think they were like $8. I don't really remember. I kid you not, it took me like an hour just to apply these damn lashes. I don't know what was wrong with me today, but I could not do lashes Oh, I'm just adding black eyeshadow on my lash line right here. I'm gonna put some white eyeshadow on my brow bone now. I'm gonna go back in with that NYX Wonder Stick and I'm just gonna contour my face now. I'm gonna add some on my forehead, just a little bit. I guess I didn't need to because I think we wear a cap today. Oh well. I'm already so ready for spring break. I think it's this first or second week of March. I can't really remember, but I need it so bad already. I'm gonna put some powder on. I'm using that Maybelline one again. Alright, I'm gonna do some mascara now. I'm using the L'Oreal telescopic one. Oh wait, no. I'm gonna add some white eyeshadow right under the inner corner right here. Just a little bit to brighten it up. Now I'm gonna add on some mascara. Alright, I'm gonna add some blush. I'm using this e.l.f. one. I don't know the name of it because it's like all scratched off, but I'm just gonna put a little bit on. I don't like too much blush. Oh my god, I got powder all over my freaking robe. I feel like I want to get a more pink blush, but I don't know any good blushes. I'm gonna go in with the NYX black retractable liner, and I'm gonna add it on my waterline and my lash line up here. Lastly, for my lips, I'm gonna be doing a red lip combo. I feel like it matches with my cap really well because it has a little bit of red on it, so I think that's what I'm gonna do today. Plus, I'm like really obsessed with this and I haven't worn it in a few days, and I need to wear it again. So I'm just using the NYX lip liner in No Whining and then the NYX Butter Gloss in Red Velvet. It's literally the perfect red lip. Also, these NYX liners, the Line Lab ones are so good. I'm gonna blend it in with my finger. I'm gonna go in with that Butter Gloss now. I don't think I'll ever get sick of this lip combo. It is so gorgeous. So this is a finished makeup look. It's super easy. I actually really love how it turned out with the black shadow on my lash line. I never do that, but I just messed up and I just kept doing it a little bit thicker because I didn't want to have to redo my eye makeup because I just don't have time because I need to go to class. But I really love how this look came out. If you do have any questions about anything that I used or something, definitely leave a comment and I'll get back to you. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I'll see y'all in the next one.